Chem 110B, sample final number 20. Alright, so if this is number 20, this is the heat problem. Now, while this is maybe a bit of a unique problem, you have to be ready to solve any of those heat problems from chapter 14. Okay, any of them. So, you know what the story is on that. I'll even show you right now. Chapter 14, be ready for any chapter 14 problem. So where you find them ones, well, that's chapter 14, exercises 14A through 14G, and quiz 12 and quiz 13. So let's do this one. To make iced tea, how much ice should be added to 2.72 kilograms of hot tea at 93 degrees Celsius so that the final temperature is 0 Celsius and no ice remains? Well, we want to try to think of the ice as a heat sponge, and we have to determine how much heat you need to remove from 2.72 kilograms of hot water, essentially, at 93 degrees. So, H is equal to mc delta T, right? We want to know what that H is. The mass is 2.72 kilograms, but we need to convert to grams, right? So what's bigger, a gram or a kilogram? A kilo or a gram? Sure, a kilo's bigger. So does that mean there's a whole bunch of grams in 1 kilo or a whole bunch of kilos in 1 gram? That's a whole bunch of grams in 1 kilo, right? 1 kilogram, 1,000 grams. That's the mass. The heat capacity is 1.00 calories per gram per degree C. And what's the temperature change? It's 93 down to 0. 93 degrees C. Okay, we cancel out everything but calories. And when we get the calorie results here, it's 252,960 calories must be removed. Okay, so how do we remove it? Add ice. Well, how much does ice get rid of heat? Well, that's related to the heat of fusion. It absorbs 79.71 calories per every 1 gram of the ice. So that's what we have to figure out. 2,052,960, not point. 252,960 calories. We use this like a conversion factor. Calories cancel. That's 3 sig figs, right? So we're carrying 3 sig figs with the calculation. Oh, no we're not. This is 2 sig figs. So we're carrying 2 sig figs in the calculation. So it's going to be 2. That's grams that's left. That's it. 3.2 times 10 to the 3rd grams. Man, that's not that bad. Seems like it was bad. It's not bad at all. Okay, so you know the deal. Anything from chapter 14 except that last section, 14H, is game. So good luck with it. Okay, work hard.